Let's talk about bucket policy hands-on. Now by default, when you create a bucket like this, I have an image in that. I click on that image. If I try to open the image using this open button, this shows you the image clearly. Now, when I try to use that provided link in that same page like this one, if I try to copy and paste this, it will not open. Why? Because by default, when you try to click on that open button, it includes the encrypted key also to open that, and also they're giving access through our console portal. But it is not having access apart from when we try to using our simple link, this link actually. To remove that, click on permission. By default, when you don't have access, you see something like this. It says access denied like that. It is showing. So let's go back and check out the permissions. I'll go back to my buckets. That's my bucket name or the file name. Click on permissions. Here you can see we have permission that says block all public access. It says turned off, which means I am not blocking any public access as of now. I'll click on edit. Here I have not blocked it. It's completely unchecked, which is good actually. I'll click on save changes. It's asking me to confirm it, so I'll confirm and click on confirm. Now scroll down, you see something called bucket policy. This is what very important. This policy we have to write in JSON format. So you have to click on edit. Either if you know the policy, you can write the policies here and click on save. But as we no need to write or learn JSON, we will simply click on policy generator. This will open a AWS policygen.s3.amazonaws.com. In this, you have to select the policy. So I want to create policy for my S3 bucket. So choose S3 bucket. I won't allow. Principal, I want to apply this policy on all my files. It says AWS service as Amazon S3, which is good. Now action, you can, to get the access, you have to go with get object. So I'll search for get object. That you go, get object. Now ARN file information, you can see it here itself. Just go back, you'll be able to see ARN file information number. There you go, ARN number. Just copy and paste it here. Now here, while pasting, you have to make sure to put a slash and put a star symbol, because this should be applicable to all the files inside my bucket. As you can see, ARN should follow the following format: ARN AWS S3, the bucket name slash the key name. So I'm applying for everyone, so I'm just putting slash / and star. Now we can click on add statement. This is going to create one statement for you. As you can see, one thing got created. Now I can click on generate policy. This will give you a JSON code. Just copy the entire code and go back to your previous tab and paste it here, and scroll down and click on save changes. That's all. So now this policy has been created and it has been saved successfully for my bucket. So I go back to my objects in bucket. I click on this image again. Now I copy this value, go back and paste. Now you can see, now you're able to see the images with the help of your that same link which was not opening before. And that's how you do the lab on bucket policy.